legendary bomb squadron from Anderson Air Force Base. My name is Captain Adam Carr, and it is my pleasure to introduce to you this evening the legendary B-52 bomber. Follow the black smoke now, approaching from the south. The B-52 is a crew of 5. They'll be doing a pass today at approximately 150 meters and 370 knots. The B-52 is flying continuously right now from Anderson Air Force Base, and after their pass today, they will be returning to Anderson Air Force Base for a total flight time of approximately 16 hours. The B-52 is capable of flying continuously for 14,000 kilometers unrefueled. So turn your attention to the south, that's stage left, and please welcome the mighty B-52 Stratofortress. Now, as I mentioned, ladies and gentlemen, please give the B-52 a hearty round of applause as they are headed back to Anderson Air Force Base. Total time of about 8 hours. They will be landing in the very wee hours of the morning. One